Hello, I'm Brian Jacobson, Senior Product Development Manager here at DecksDirect, and today we're going to talk about grommets. Today I want to talk about the grommets designed for the Skyline Pro Cable Railing system. These purpose-built components create a thin but critical barrier between Skyline Pro's streamlined cable fittings and its industry-leading AAMA 2605 powder-coated posts. For level sections of Skyline Pro, there are two different grommet types. The first type is the level terminal grommet, used in posts at which cable terminates. The second type is the level intermediate grommet, installed in posts through which cable continues along level railing sections. For intermediate grommets used at a 90-degree corner, it's necessary to use protector sleeves. They reinforce the grommet to ensure the cable and post stays separated. For stair sections, Skyline Pro uses three different grommet types. The first is the stair streamline grommet, used on the outside of stair terminal posts. They are designed specifically for the streamlined cable fittings and their corresponding beveled washers. The second is the stair short swage stud grommet, used on the inside of stair terminal posts. And last but not least is the stair intermediate grommet, used in stair posts through which cable continues along your stair section. Each Skyline Pro grommet is purpose-built for a specific role. Together, they will ensure the beauty and integrity of your Skyline railing system for years to come. Thanks for stopping by. If you'd like to learn more, you can check out the link in the description.